What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to Omni Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, Omni Academy offers 50 plus free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. Omni Academy, your career transformation starts here and it starts free.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this complete training workshop. Today, we are going to prepare you for one of the most in-demand certifications in the cloud industry, the Google Cloud Professional Cloud Network Engineer exam. Don't worry if you are not from IT background. I will explain everything using real-life examples so you can easily understand even complex topics like networking, security, and cloud architecture. Think of Google Cloud like a huge city, and you are the city planner who builds roads, security gates, traffic systems, and highways so everything runs smoothly. Security is one of the biggest responsibilities of a cloud engineer. Imagine a company stores customer passwords, banking information, payment records. If hackers steal this data, company can lose millions. That's why cloud security is extremely important. Google Cloud provides multiple security layers. For example, firewall rules, IAM permissions, VPN encryption, private networking. Real-life example. Think of airport security. Before entering airport, ticket verification, passport checking, security scanning. Multiple security checks happen together. Google Cloud works the same way. No single security layer is enough. Cloud engineers combine multiple protections together. Many students fail because they study services only, but Google exams test architecture thinking. Google always prefers secure solutions, scalable systems, managed services, and high availability. For example, if company expects traffic growth, Google prefers auto-scaling. If company needs reliability, Google prefers load balancing. If company needs secure internal communication, Google prefers private networking. So during exam, do not think like student, think like cloud architect. Before learning networking, let's first understand why companies even use Google Cloud. Years ago, companies had physical servers inside offices. They needed expensive hardware, cooling systems, IT maintenance teams. But cloud changed everything. Now companies can rent servers online from Google. Example, instead of buying entire power generator, you simply use electricity when needed. That's exactly how cloud works. Benefits of Google Cloud: lower cost, better security, faster deployment, global access, easy scaling. That's why companies like Spotify, Snapchat, Twitter, and YouTube use cloud technologies daily. A cloud networking engineer is someone who designs how systems talk to each other in the cloud. Imagine Netflix. When you click play on a movie, millions of people are doing the same thing. A network engineer makes sure video loads fast, servers don't crash, data reaches you smoothly. Without networking, Netflix would just stop working. Key points. Cloud networking equals internet system inside cloud. You manage traffic flow, and you ensure security and speed.
Before networking, we must understand the foundation of Google Cloud. 1. Project example. Think of a project like your personal office. Inside your office, you can create computers, storage, networks. Each company has its own project. 2. Regions and zones. Imagine Google Cloud has offices in different countries. Pakistan office equals region. Different rooms inside office equals zone. Before networking, we must understand the foundation of Google Cloud. 1. Project example. Think of a project like your personal office. Inside your office, you can create computers, storage, networks. Each company has its own project. 2. Regions and zones. Imagine Google Cloud has offices in different countries. Pakistan office equals region. Different rooms inside office equals zones. If one room has issue, others still work. 3. VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. VPC is your private internet inside Google Cloud. Example. Think of VPC like your own private housing society. Only your family lives there. You decide who enters, you control roads and gates. That is exactly how VPC works in cloud.
One of the most important networking concepts is public IP and private IP. Simple example. Think of your house. Your house address visible to everyone is like public IP. Anyone can send mail there. But your bedroom inside the house is private. Not everyone can access it. That is like private IP. In Google Cloud, public IP allows internet access. Private IP is used for internal communication. Real example. A website server uses public IP because users access it online, but database server usually uses private IP for security reasons. This is a very common exam scenario. Whenever exam mentions internal secure communication, immediately think private IP, restricted firewall, no public exposure.
Subnets. Subnets are divisions inside your VPC. Think of a university. IT department equals subnet 1. Business department equals subnet 2. Engineering department equals subnet 3. All are part of same university but separated. Firewall. Firewall controls who can enter your network. Think like a security guard at a mall. It allows customers, blocks unwanted people, works based on rules. Example, allow only HTTP traffic from internet. Routes. Routes decide where data should go. It's like Google Maps for network traffic. It tells data, go this way, don't go that way, reach server faster. Let's understand with exam scenario. A company has two servers, web server, database server. Now the question is, how do they communicate securely? Anyone can write their answers in the comment box. Now I will tell the answer to this question, which is, use private IPs, firewall allows internal traffic only, no public exposure. Security in cloud. Firewall deep example. Let's say you run an online store. Example. Customers, allowed, port 8043. Hackers, blocked. Admin access, only from Office IP. IAM concept, simple. Example: in a company, manager, full access; employee, limited access; intern, very limited access. Load balancer distributes traffic evenly. For example, think of a pizza shop. If 100 customers come, one chef cannot handle it. Orders are divided among multiple chefs. Same in Google Cloud. A real example is YouTube livestream. Millions watching at same time. Load balancer sends users to different servers. No crash happens. VPN connects your office to cloud securely. Imagine your office in Karachi wants to connect to Google servers safely. VPN creates a secure tunnel. Nobody can spy on data. Cloud interconnect. Imagine a big bank connects directly to Google Cloud using private dedicated cable for speed and security.
Let's quickly understand common networking tools used in Google Cloud. VPC creates private cloud network. Firewall controls access. Load balancer distributes traffic. Cloud VPN secure office to cloud connection. Cloud DNS converts website names into IP addresses. NAT Gateway allows private servers to access the internet safely. Example: think of NAT like masked communication. Private servers can go outside, but outsiders cannot directly enter.
Now let's understand something very important. How does data actually travel inside Google Cloud? Because in networking, everything depends on communication. Whenever a user opens a website, a complete journey happens behind the scenes within milliseconds. Let's understand this with a real example. Imagine you open YouTube on your mobile phone. The moment you click a video, your request starts traveling across networks. Step 1. Your request first reaches Google servers through the internet. Example: think of it like sending a food order through delivery app. Your order first reaches the restaurant system. Similarly, your device sends requests to Google Cloud infrastructure. Step 2. Google Cloud checks where the application is hosted. Maybe Karachi region, Singapore region, Europe region. Cloud systems automatically find the nearest or fastest location. This improves speed and user experience. Step 3. Traffic reaches load balancer. Now imagine millions of users opening same video. Can one server handle everyone? No, so load balancer distributes traffic across multiple servers. Example, like multiple cash counters in a supermarket. If one counter becomes crowded, customers move to other counters. This prevents system overload. Step 4. Request moves inside VPC network. Now communication happens internally between web servers, application servers, and database servers. Most of this communication happens privately for security. That is why private networking is extremely important in cloud environments. Step 5. Firewall checks traffic permissions. Before traffic reaches server, Google Cloud verifies: is this request allowed? Which port is being used? Is source trusted? Example, like airport immigration checking passengers before entry. Only approved traffic can continue. Step 6. Server processes request. Application server prepares response, video, website page, user data, search results. Then response travels back to user device within seconds. And all this happens incredibly fast. That is the power of cloud networking. Now imagine millions of users doing this simultaneously across the world. This is why cloud networking engineers are so important. They design systems that are fast, secure, reliable, and scalable. And this is exactly the type of architecture thinking Google expects in the certification exam. Now let's discuss the most important part:
How to actually pass the Google Cloud Professional Cloud Network Engineer exam in your first attempt. Many students make one big mistake. They try to memorize everything. But this exam is not about memorization. It tests how you think in real-world networking situations. Google wants to know, can you solve business problems using cloud networking? That means every question is scenario-based. For example, the exam may say, a company wants secure communication between application servers and database servers while preventing internet exposure. Now, instead of panicking, break the question into small parts. Step 1, what is the problem? Secure communication. Step 2, what should be avoided? Public internet exposure. Step 3, what solution matches this? Private IPs plus firewall rules. This is exactly how you should think during the exam. Another important strategy, always identify key words. If question says high availability, think multiple regions, load balancer, redundancy. If question says secure access, think IAM, firewall, VPN, least privilege access. If question says fast connectivity between Office and cloud, think Cloud VPN, Cloud Interconnect. If question says reduce latency globally, think CDN, Global Load Balancer. You do not need to become a networking genius. You only need to understand why a service is used, when it is used, and what problem it solves. Another important tip, never rush the exam. Sometimes Google intentionally gives confusing options. 2 answers may look correct. Choose the one that is more secure, more scalable, more cost-effective, more managed by Google, because Google Cloud exams prefer best practices. For example, question, should company manually manage networking appliances or use managed cloud services? Most of the time, Google prefers managed services. Why?
Because managed services reduce maintenance, improve scalability, increase reliability. Now let's discuss preparation strategy. Do not study randomly. Week 1, understand Google Cloud basics, projects, regions, zones, and VPC. Week 2, focus deeply on subnets, firewall rules, routes, NAT, private versus public IP. Week 3, study load balancing, VPN, hybrid networking, DNS, and cloud interconnect. Week 4, solve mock exams daily. And while solving MCQs, do not just check correct answers. Understand why other options are wrong. That is the real secret to passing this certification. Another powerful tip, use diagrams while studying. Networking becomes easy when you visualize traffic flow. For example, draw user, internet, load balancer, web server, database. Then understand how data moves between them. Once you start visualizing architecture, networking becomes much easier. And finally, practice scenario thinking every day. Ask yourself, if I were Google Cloud Architect, how would I design this securely and efficiently? That mindset alone can help you pass the exam much faster. Congratulations, everyone! You have now completed this complete workshop for the Google Cloud Professional Cloud Network Engineer certification. Today we covered the most important concepts required to understand how cloud networking works in real-world environments. We learned what Google Cloud is, how VPC networking works, difference between public and private communication, firewall security concepts, routes and traffic flow, hybrid networking in VPN, load balancing and scalability, cloud security best practices, real-world troubleshooting scenarios, exam strategies and preparation roadmap. Most importantly, you learned how to think like a cloud network engineer. Remember, this certification is not about memorizing definitions. Google wants to test, can you solve real business problems? Can you build secure systems? Can you design scalable cloud architectures? That is why scenario thinking is the key to success. Whenever you study any topic, ask yourself, why is this service used? What problem does it solve? When should I use it? Is it secure? Is it scalable? That mindset alone can completely change your preparation journey. And one more important thing, do not get scared of networking. At first, terms like VPC, subnets, load balancing, hybrid networking may sound difficult, but once you connect them with real-life examples, everything becomes much easier. Cloud computing is growing rapidly around the world. Companies are actively hiring professionals who understand cloud infrastructure, networking, security, scalability. This certification can help you improve your career opportunities, apply for international jobs, work remotely, enter cloud engineering field, build high-income technical skills. But remember, certification alone is not enough. Real success comes from practice, hands-on labs, mock exams, consistency, and problem-solving mindset. Even if you study only 1 to 2 hours daily with focus, you can prepare effectively for this certification. Start small, practice regularly, and keep improving step by step. Every expert cloud engineer was once a beginner, so believe in your learning journey. I hope this workshop helped simplify cloud networking concepts for you in an easy and practical way. Thank you so much for joining this session. I wish you success in your Google Cloud certification journey and future cloud career. See you in the next workshop. Good luck and keep learning.
Bonus benefits. Free exam preparation tips, certification roadmap guidance, practice questions discussion, career guidance session, networking career insights. Special offer, 20% discount offer for workshop participants only. Valid for 7 days after workshop. Limited time opportunity. Upgrade your skills at discounted price. Announcement. Subscribe to Omni Jobs WhatsApp channel. Stay updated with latest jobs, internships, IT career opportunities, cloud and networking vacancies, training and certification updates. Why choose Omni Academy? At Omni Academy, we focus on practical skills, career growth, and industry-focused training to help students and professionals succeed in the competitive IT market. Professional trainers, career-focused learning, industry-relevant skills, practical workshops, international certification guidance, supportive learning environment. Call to action. Build your cloud career today. Learn, practice, get certified, grow. Start your journey towards becoming a Google Cloud Network engineer. Limited seats available. Enroll now with Omni Academy. Contact now for registration and details. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your future. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming professional training programs. Thank you and best of luck on your certification journey.